A right rectangular prism has a base area of 24t square centimeters. The length of the base of the rectangular prism is 8/3 centimeter and the height of the rectangular prism is 15 centimeter. Which expression represents the surface area in centimeter square of the right rectangular prism? Okay, using the given information, in the given answer choices, we have to find the expression which represents the surface area of the prism. Okay, first let me draw a right rectangular prism. Here we have a right rectangular prism and this is the base of the prism. Actually, it is a rectangle and we have area of the base that is 24t square centimeters. Let me mark it. And this represents the length of the base. The length of the base is 8/3 centimeter. Let me mark it. And this represents the height of the prism that is 15 centimeter. Now, let me write the formula to get the surface area of this right rectangular prism. So, the formula is 2 multiplied by capital B positive capital P times lowercase h. This capital B represents the area of the base, that is 24t, and this capital P represents the perimeter of the base, that is a perimeter of the rectangle we have over here, and this h represents the height of the prism, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, here to get the surface area of this prism, we can plug in this 24t for base area over here, this for this capital B, and we can plug in this 15 for this lowercase h, which represents the height of the prism. But I do not know the perimeter of the base, that is perimeter of the rectangle we have over here. Okay, let's use the base area 24t square centimeters to get the perimeter of the base. Okay, here already we know that this is the length of the base and this is the width of the base. Let's consider the area of the base, that is capital B equals to 24t. Since the base is a rectangle, we can use the formula to find area of rectangle, that is length times width equals to 24t. So the length already we know, the length of the base, that is 8/3. We can plug in 8/3 for L over here times W equals to 24t. Now let's solve for W in this equation. Let me multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this fraction, which is 3/8. Let me do it. Then this 3 will cancel, 8 will cancel. We have W on the left side. 8 goes into 8 one times, 8 goes into 24 three times. Here 3t times 3 is 9t. I got the width of the rectangle. Now let's find the perimeter of the rectangle. I mean the perimeter of the base we have over here. So since this is the base is a rectangle, so the formula to get the perimeter of rectangle is 2 times L positive 2 times W. Okay, here 2 times the length of the rectangle is 8/3 positive 2 times the width of the W. Just now we got it, that is 90. 2 times 90. Okay, here 2 times 8 is 16, that is we get 16/3 positive 2 times 90 is 18t. Here I got the perimeter of the base. Okay, now let's continue over here. 2 times, we know that this capital B represents the base area 24t. Let me plug in 24t for this capital B. Positive, this is the perimeter of the base, we got it over here, that is 16/3 positive 18t, and this h is height of the prism, that is 15. Let me plug in. Okay, here 2 times 24 is 40t. Okay, now we can distribute this 15 to this one and this one. Then I'm getting 16/3 times 15 positive 18t times 15. Okay, here 3 goes into 3 one times, 3 goes into 15 5 times. We get 48t positive 16 times 5 is 80. And here when I multiply 18 and 15, I am getting 270t because we have t over here. Now let's combine the like terms of 48t and positive 270t. When I do so, I am getting 318t. We can write this constant as it is. Here I got the expression which represents the surface area of the given right rectangular prism, that is 318t positive 80. We find this exactly in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.